It is heavy. Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alexis Adjei. For those of you who do not know me, I cover content around food, fashion and lifestyle. The mantra is look good, cook good and live good. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys. It looks like I'm in a cute little hotel, but I'm actually at my mum's house because I really like the aesthetics of her living room, and I just thought, you know what, let's change the scenery a little bit. In this box is actually an anniversary gift from my husband. So just to give you some context, we celebrated 7 years together as a whole, if that makes sense. So since he asked me to be his little girlfriend, till now that we're married with 2 kids, yeah, we've been together for 7 years. And for me, the number 7 has a special place in my heart. Not only does it represent perfection and completeness in the Bible, it also is in my date of birth 3 times. So, you know, like, I don't believe in luck, but you know, lucky number 7, I've got 3 7s in my date of birth, which is just a blessing in general. And it's just a number that I've carried with me throughout my life. So being my favorite number, 7 years together, and what 7 represents in the Bible, and it's all up in my date of birth as well, 777. So it's like perfection. I'm perfect. Perfection 3 times. So yeah, just so happy that we got to celebrate. We kind of celebrated, to be honest. It's the day of our anniversary is actually a day after my son's birthday, so the last 3 years we've actually forgotten about it. Like, we remember a couple of days later, like, oh my god, it was like our anniversary. And so this year we made a point to try and do a little something. So I've got a lovely gift, I got a bouquet, and I got this gift from my husband, and yeah, I'm gonna unbox it with you guys today. I'm really excited because I haven't opened it, I haven't tried it on, I don't know anything. I need to see. I don't know. So let's have a look. So you're gonna guess once I open like the second bag what it might be, but do you know what color it is? That's what you need to ask yourself. Do you know what color it is? Gosh, it is heavy. Wow. Okay, so we've got the box now. I'll move back so you guys can see a little bit. So this is the box. I'm gonna open it up now because I can't wait anymore. Oh, there you go. Oh. I literally have not opened this. Like, a lot of my stuff that I open, I've opened already, but I haven't opened this. Open it for you. So we've got a dust bag. Versace dust bag. So you guys can kind of guess. But you know what colour it is? That's the main thing. Do you know what colour it is? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I'm so excited. Wow, guys, she smells good too. Yes, 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 and yes, yes, she is fabulous. Okay, let's just get all this stuff out so we can take a good look at her. Okay, so I know if you follow me on Instagram, guys, you would have seen that, you know, I've really wanted these Versace platform shoes. Since I saw them in the different colours, I wanted them. I originally wanted satin, well, they are all satin, but I originally wanted the yellow ones, but over time I sort of changed my mind. I had a discussion with my manager and she put a few things in perspective for me, and to be honest, if I'm being honest, I'm not the best with shoes. For me, luxury items are luxury, but I still just wear them anyhow, if that makes sense. So satin, the stains, like, get a bit of oil or makeup on that, it's ruined. It will be very difficult for you to get those, you know, marks out. And it was, I didn't mind any colour, I just didn't want pink and I didn't want the purple. If I had the red, the yellow or the black, yellow being my favourite. But then I thought, you know what, I don't actually have another pair of black shoes. I have quite a lot of colourful shoes, but I don't have black shoes. The only black shoes I have are my Amina Muaddi's. What ones are they? I can't remember, but they've got feathers on them and stuff like that, those ones. But I really wanted another pair of black shoes, so I thought, you know what, let's go for black. But the way it came about, so hubby came home, well, he called me, he's like, I've got a confession to make. I tried to go and get your Versace shoes, but they're sold out everywhere in the colour that you want. They only had black. And I said, do you know what's so funny? I literally decided today that I would get black. And he was like, really? So he's like, okay, cool. But I didn't know if they were still going to be in stock. I didn't know if he'll be able to go back and get them. I didn't know anything. He just came home with them one day. So yes. Oh, she's fabulous, honey. I love her. So you've got the crystal embellishment on the ankle, on the bit that goes around your ankles, on the strap that goes around your ankles, and then you've got the Medusa head here, and then obviously at the back. So these are my actually second pair of Versace shoes now. And they're just so fabulous. Like, I mean, oh God, they're beautiful. They're so beautiful. I keep stroking it. They're just so beautiful. So I'm going to try them on for you guys, so we can see what they look like and how they can be styled and whatnot. Yeah, and if we can walk in them. Yes, that's important. We need to be able to walk in them. But yeah, that's the unboxing, guys. So really, really excited about these. Let's try them on. These are fabulous. I feel like, I don't know what I feel like. It's definitely given Bratz. I saw everyone saying the Bratz shoes, Brat doll shoes. It's given that, definitely. Comfortability, like I've been in them for about 10 minutes now and they're doing all right. They're holding up. They're doing okay. Definitely not a walk 10 miles in my shoes type of situation. No, you just wear these to where you're going, get in the car, go home, get in the Uber, go home. There's no trotting around in them. I absolutely love them. They're very sexy. Very sexy, very classy. I'm actually very happy I got black. Like, I can't be happier that I got black. And they are heavy, they're weighty, but that's a good thing, because imagine walking down the street, like you've got some support here, you know, it's gonna keep you balanced out, and the likelihood of your ankle doing a little fap is quite slim. So yeah, I love them. I just think they're just so flipping cute. Like, I can see myself living in them. Like, they're just so fabulous. Maybe not with this outfit. I plan on wearing these on Valentine's Day, by the way, so I need to plan an outfit around these shoes for sure. But yeah, I'm absolutely loving them. So if I was to get them again, like get another pair, definitely be red, 100%. I'm so happy with them, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you think these are absolutely ridiculous and like, what is she wearing? If you think they're absolutely ridiculous and it's like, what the hell is everyone wearing these days? These are very retro though. This is fashion for you. Fashion always does a 360. It always comes back around. It always repeats itself. So even though we used to wear platforms back in the day, they're not exactly the same as the platforms that are out today. And some are, to be fair. But with that said, honestly, like, these are so retro, so 90s. I mean, it's just giving me Bratz, Spice Girls, the whole shebang. Like, everything that I lived through during my, like, early teens, this is it. So, I love it. I love it. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go now. But I just wanted to give you another look at these fabulous, most stunning shoes ever. So guys, if you love this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, obviously. Follow me on Instagram. I share so much on there. So if you guys are loving my content on YouTube, I guarantee you're going to love my Instagram content even more. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see more of as well. I know there's cooking elements to my branding and we haven't done much of that yet. Hopefully that will come soon. I'm also going to link these and the colours that I do find below as well. And I will be linking this jumper as well if you guys are interested. It's such a cute jumper from Glassworks, so I'll link that below as well. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.